All right, we're starting off with 3 liters of our peppermint ice cream. All right, and with our ice cream, we're gonna bring in our eggnog. And this is a 64 fluid ounce bottled eggnog. And this is gonna go beautifully with our peppermint ice cream in our punch bowl. This is a party favorite. I personally love peppermint year round. You will see me ordering peppermint mochas in the middle of summer. But we poured that whole thing of eggnog right in our punch bowl with that delicious ice cream. Next, I'm gonna come in with my ginger ale. So we have these mini cans of ginger ale, and we're just gonna pour those right in our punch bowl.
It's gonna overflow.
Nah, it's perfect. Yummy. Bring in my little gingerbread man for some help, and we are gonna go ahead and mix all these flavors together. Oh my, eggnog, ginger ale, and peppermint ice cream, the ultimate combination. Look how juicy that looks. So fun and festive. All right, we don't need the ice cream to be fully melted. It's kind of gonna act like our ice cubes. So this is ready to serve, but we're gonna serve this in an extra fun way. All right, I'm gonna bring in some candy canes, and I'm gonna leave these unwrapped and just kind of place them on the side of our bowl so that everyone knows what they're getting into. Look how cute that looks. Perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna move this slightly to the side so that we can get this ready for our guests. I have here 2 unwrapped candy canes, and I'm gonna bring in my mug, and we're gonna crack. All right, nice little crumble pieces. And I have right here just a little bit of water. And this might seem strange, but we're gonna grab our glass, dip it in the water, and then we're going to, there we go. That's how you have to do it. And look, we have a little peppermint rin. How cute is that? And now we can serve our peppermint eggnog punch in our peppermint rim glass. Get a little bit more. Look how cute that is. All right, enjoy. Oh, phenomenal.